In this video, I'll show you how to earn money by selling documents on Studypool. It's simple and can be a great way to make extra cash. First, go to studypool.com and click on the Sell Docs button. Studypool allows you to upload documents like old class notes, homework, exam prep, quizzes, and study guides, even zip files. They accept documents in multiple languages, so anyone can join. Once you upload your documents, they'll be reviewed for quality by Studypool's approval system. After approval, your documents become accessible to millions of students searching for study materials. Every time a student views your document, you earn up to $10. Some top sellers even make thousands of dollars monthly. To get started, click on Start Selling Documents and sign up. You can use your Google account for quick registration. Choose a username and fill in your school details. Then, upload your files to your school's note bank.
If your document quality is good, you will start earning when someone accesses them. Thanks for watching.